You are the CEO of your life. I made a post about this recently on Facebook, and I want you to understand this. You are in full control of all the decisions that you make, and you should not be letting other people's opinions or thoughts dictate how you run your life. I don't care if you're working for somebody else or if you're an entrepreneur and you're a business owner. Doesn't matter. You're the CEO of your life, and you can control all of the decisions that you make. Now, sometimes that might not be easy. Sometimes that might not be something that you want to actually stomach and understand. But even if you're working for somebody else, you literally can choose whether you make certain decisions or not working for somebody else. You can choose to go to work or not go to work. You can choose to take the promotion or not take the promotion. You can choose to take a leap of faith and start your own business or not do that. Every single decision you have the ability to make. Nobody is forcing you to make any of these decisions, one. And two, you should not be letting other people's opinions, thoughts, or ideas impact the decisions that you make for your life. So many people are so quick to throw out excuses and to point fingers in other directions when really that finger should be pointed back at you. When you point this way, when you point at somebody else, there's three fingers that are literally getting pointed back at you, and that is for a reason. You are in full control. You are in the driver's seat. You are the CEO of your life. Start acting like it. Stop letting other people in other people's thoughts and ideas and just everything that they do influence what you do in your life. Other people are not paying your bills, except obviously if you're working for somebody else. But you are the one making the decisions that are impacting how you get paid, when you get paid, how much you get paid, all of those different things. You have to start acting as if there's nobody else in the driver's seat of your life other than yourself. And that can be a very, very sobering moment when you realize you've probably been making excuses for far too long and lying to yourself and not looking in the mirror and being like, you know what? I do have control. I am in the driver's seat. I am the CEO of my life. The quicker you can come to that realization and start to flex that muscle and start to do certain things in a different way, understanding that nobody else is going to control you, the decisions that you make, all those things, you are going to be so much better off for that. You are the CEO of your life. Start acting like it. Start taking ownership and stop putting the blame on other people. If you don't like where you're at, or if you want to continue to level up in life, you are going to have to start taking more ownership over your success or lack thereof. Winning is great, but it doesn't happen all the time. There are plenty of losses along the way, and you have to understand that you were the CEO and you were the driving force behind why something didn't work and you lost. Stop putting the blame on other people. Take control. You are the CEO of your life. I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments, thoughts, feedback, things like that, feel free to leave that below. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.